Good morning, DJ. Good morning. It's Tuesday, October 7th. The time is currently 9:30 a.m. I had to delay the start of this because I had a painter in here painting and stuff, and I didn't want to, be yappy yappy. He was like standing right here. Whatever, anyway. Life happens. It is what it is. We're here, we're active. All right, woke up today at 7:45. All right, got my morning routine in. Arrived at my desk at 9:20, but obviously I couldn't get started because I was waiting on my guy to finish and leave, but he just was just whatever. As always, my weekly target is 5%, daily target is $500. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay, all right. Very happy with my progression and where I'm at in my trading, all right, as an analyst, as a trader, as an analyst, as a trader. Very happy with my progress, okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow and get 1% better. I see that the news was delayed again. Okay. I refreshed the page before I started this and I saw this delayed. I guess government still shut down. Don't know what's going on with that. But I want to take a side note and mention that price action yesterday was incredible. And we nailed the top. We nailed the bottom. It was just beautiful and just oh I feel like I'm finally arriving at you know, where I started the journey, where I saw myself, right? I feel like I'm finally arriving. I feel like I'm here. You can't even see. My destination is here, and I feel like I'm like just trotting along, trotting along, trotting along, and I'm here. I feel like I'm arriving at where I need to be, and I just want to take this moment to say that I'm proud of you, okay, for not giving up on yourself, for not letting adversity or like all them losses, not understanding this, not getting it, not making any money for 6 years, all right, in trading. I made some money, but not making enough that I want to make anyway. In 6 years and still sticking through this and knowing that this was the path for me, right? Not giving up, all right? Because you only fail when you quit, all right, baby girl. I'm so proud of you. You're almost there. Keep going, all right? Don't let up. Keep choking them on the neck. Aside from that, risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. News, I thought we had news today, but I guess it's delayed. So we're just gonna go regular, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna trade and trade. That's it. Yeah. Risk going in today with our one contract, okay, so nothing else, nothing changed there. Weekly program going to this week. I'm sorry, I have my vitamins in my mouth. That's why. Going to this week was a buy program. Let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that for me. I looked at price and nothing's really changing. If anything, it's kind of confirmed my weekly program. Swallowed it. Okay, dollar failed to make it to that gap there. Okay, so it's leaving it for a later day, right? Expanded higher, took buy side here. Okay, we have relatively equal highs here. Like I said, I'm anticipating dollar to draw into this inefficiency here. Wicks do the damages, body sell the story. Okay, we're still respecting this inefficiency. Okay, we also have a gap here. So dollar still risk gone, but obviously this week we're seeing a retracement into a premium. Okay, so MNQ, as you can see, you're respecting, okay. So having bullish institutional order flow, we're respecting BC's down closed candles are supporting price higher. Okay. Price is finding it easy to break highs and spending little to no time below lows, right? Those are all bullish institutional order flow. So as far as my current understanding of price action goes, right, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program. This is from yesterday. Let's get rid of them. But yeah, let's take a look at yesterday's PM session sale that we were in. Look at that beauty. We were in it from here. Look at that beauty. We targeted the high, the weekly high, previous week's high, but look what it offered us. Even give us another beautiful setup here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Got it. Got him. Came down to that daily upper quadrant level. Beautiful, beautiful. We got sexy trade back up London. London's been looking so nice this these past few weeks, I've noticed some nice setups in London. But look at that. Ooh wee. Like I said, I'm almost there. Almost whatever. Back to work. Decent size open range gap here. Okay, so we should see some good price action. No. It's below price. Okay, so we gapped up. Once again, I still haven't fixed my time. It works perfectly in bar replay mode. Like I don't understand. Me don't get it. I don't understand why I don't want to work on 1 minute. Works on every other time frame. Or the 1 minute. Let's go Vendetta. V-shape. Inefficiencies. Hmm? Watching this here. Shh. Stay in. Don't say anything, DJ. Shh. They might realize. Mhm. The business of yesterday. Demo baller. 1 second, DJ. They're back. I don't know what's going on with these folks, but can't get anybody that speaks English. So hey, she said me clean. I said, yeah. You guys made the mess. But obviously I didn't say that, but I'm saying, yes, you clean. Yeah, you guys made the mess, so yeah, you clean. And then she pointed at the stuff because they covered the smoke detector and stuff. She covered the stuff. I don't even know. No communication, like it's just no comprehension, no understanding. Just and then she said bye and she left. So I guess they're not coming back to clean. Oh, mate, do better, man. Come on, man. So she comes and she's like, okay, war finished. And obviously she's coming to take pictures. I'm like, okay, come on in, take the picture. Then when she's done taking her picture, she looks at the ground and looks at me and says, me clean? And I'm like, yes. Obviously I didn't say you guys made the mess, but you guys made the mess. So yes, you clean. I don't think she understood that. And she pointed at the tape they have on the smoke detector and stuff. And I don't know what she was saying. I'm like, don't worry about that. I'll take that one off. But and then she said bye and she left. It was a pointless conversation, bro. Like, I don't know if she's coming back to clean or we have to do the clean ourselves, but I'm gonna give them some time to see if another somebody else comes. That was just too much to type. Me neck. The past 2 days, man, me neck. Where I've been sleeping probably, me neck. Boy, whew. Oh, oh. Didn't stretch this morning. I forgot, I had bedtime and he came and then he just distracted me. I stretch after this. By all accounts, good buying opportunity, but we're in premium, so I'm a bit weary, so I don't mind just watching it right now. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, closure. Just below that one as well. So this would be interesting. I've never had two before. So would I adjust the entry to this one? Watch them both. I'll keep my limit there. Fair value cap here. Why not come and tag me in there? Oh, oh wow, they didn't tag me in there? That's crazy. Oh, just delayed. What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 50 IA. So I know that IA won't take me out. Mm. Order filled. So we're definitely gonna go with whatever the fib is, plus or minus one. Because at least it would have gave me, negative 0.5 there. I saw the danger and I reduced my risk. Want to see this key price higher now. Since I'm only going to negative one, I'll be adjusting stop at negative 0.5 there. To shift this damn chart. They're back. Bear with me. These people, man, I just can't, I cannot deal. Need to see it go now. Can't be diddy-daddling. There's a few factors against me on this trade, right? One is that we're in a premium, right? We're in a deep premium. Yeah. What was the second one? I had another one. Deep premium. No, I think that was it. Yeah, we're in a deep premium. And actually, we're above midnight opening price, right? So deep premium already above midnight opening price. So those are the only two things against me. But the only thing for me is that is a pro trend trade. And we did drop into a discount of the previous candles range, all right, 50%. And it gave me a buy setup. So it was a fair setup. I'm paying attention to how it behave in this inversion. Okay, we've already come into the inefficiency here. If we get a closure, I'll reduce risk. These two fail. Yeah, definitely going to reduce the risk if they fail with the closure, body closure. You've closed below back the inversion. I don't want to see price respect there. Like that, don't want to see that. It's not close the trade, but alarm bells are ringing. We need to go from here. Fine with this. Now it can do what it wants to do. If it comes and takes me out, that's fair. Yeah, it needs to go in the next two candles. The next few candles, I need to see it leave this area. I should set my limits back in it. Oh, shouldn't come down to it. Let's see closure above, back above this. Let me set my limits back. I'm going back, up, going back. Yeah, that's it. Straight is done. It's done for. Just get my temperature. Thank you. Hey, why is it not letting me put my limit, boy? That's fair. Didn't take the full stop, so I'll take that. Solid management there on my part, if I do say so myself. Like I said, the two things that were against me were above midnight open and we're in a deep premium. Okay, so I was aware of that. Okay, going into this trade. There was nothing wrong with this trade here. Now we wait till our next opportunity. I want to see it not use it like that. So when we close that, back below it, close it. Cool. And we're taking liquidity below it. Okay, fair value gap here. Let's see this keep price lower. Okay, price potentially wants to come into a deeper discount. That's fine. I'll let it drop down. And I'll anticipate. I'll wait till my next time window to see what happens there. I will. Yeah. And I spell. 2, 3. Why I cannot not lift this bitch? Two, 3. I'll have 3 left. Take 2 off here. Oh, the one will be hidden. Fair trade. Oh, fortunate. Risk has already been reduced, so I don't need to touch that. This in itself is a setup, but not one for me. We're in the premium and we're above midnight open, right? So I'm trying to like eliminate when not to take like, certain trades, pro-trend trades. It's be like a condition for our sale, right? my conditions for a sell and a buy program, for a counter trend trade in a buy program. We must be in the premium and we must be above midnight open. Premium is above midnight. We're also way above above. That could be a different factor as well. We have these relative equal lows. London, Asia, yesterday's AM session. We had another fair value appeal, okay? So if it doesn't come up here, this is why. And also volume imbalance. Better days are coming. Oh, better days are coming. Sing it Friday. Sing that shit. Remind me of that shit. The trouble won't last much longer. I gotta hear that tune. Bear me, DJ. I just go hear it because I feel it in my soul right now. Feel it. I feel it in my soul.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected. Power on. Bluetooth mode.
I'm still crying. Tear. So you're asking him why. I know I'm not gonna see question, but what's the reason? But they don't see me like, hold on, hold on. You don't want to get stuck. Do we all? Like, we all gotta go someday. And I know my people won't remember me. I put my blood into his melody. So we can all be free. And you showed. I feel it. I'm feeling the moment. I'm feeling the moment. Getting teary-eyed out here in these streets. I'm feeling the moment. Woo! Better days. Better days are coming. Oh, bad. Sing it, Friday. Sing that shit. Better days are coming. Yeah, chosen one. They were trying to get to me. I'm fighting demons all alone. I've been losing sleep. It's sinking deep. Count on me. You made me leave. You. Not your legacy. Better, better days. Better days are coming. Better days are coming. Better days are coming. If you can hear this, I do not own the rights to this music. Okay. I'm just enjoying a good song. That's it. That's all. Better days. Trouble won't last much longer. Take the high. I'll be interested. Thanks. Nothing for me there. Don't last much long. See the money, see the fame, but they don't see me like, oh Lord. I know you the lie when it gets tough. See the money, see the fame, but they don't see me like. Be a nice sell here during my micro. Well, my micro during a micro. See if they leave this inefficiency here. I said I'm not gonna take counter trend trades yet, okay? But I'm watching this sell. It's a beautiful sell. Time and everything is on point. Time, price, everything is here. We're above, we're in a premium, yes, and we're above midnight open. That's my conditions for a sell in a buy program. And obviously time, right? Most important, right? Let's put that in caps, plus time. So I want to see this inefficiency keep price lower, okay? To take previous candle sell side, previous candle range low, potentially. What is this? Oh, the 6 a.m. Yeah, we do have liquidity sell side below price here, so that's my current draw right now on liquidity based on this price action. Let's run the tune back. I'm trying to see if there's a gap here. Yeah, there is. So that'll be included. Want to see the fame, but they don't see me like hello. The closure above this. Do you? Do you know where it goes on? And all the people will remember me. I put my faith in my deed. So we can all be free. On your shoulders, getting strong. Mama, why you bring the motel? better. Since we took sales liquidity below, eh, I can do it like this as well. See, better days are coming. The chosen one. They were trying to get to me. You made me believe. Even at your legacy. See the money, see the fame, but they don't see me like, oh Lord. I know you the light when it gets dark. Trouble won't last much longer. No, I'm not supposed to you, but what's the reason? See the money, see the fame, but they don't see me like, oh Lord. Completely filled an open range gap there. No, people won't remember me. Beautiful. Relatively close down here. That's what we're targeting. See this trade here? Beautiful stuff. Beauty, beauty. Better days are coming. Picture. Perfect right there. I'm not supposed to question you, but what's the reason? Thank you, Yeshua. Me like, them a baller when it gets dark. To be all lives, we all gotta go someday. And I hope my people won't remember me. I put blood and tears into these melodies, to these charts. I put my blood and tears into these charts. I feel you, Friday. I feel you. Just show me getting strong. My mama. Bang. Woof. Better days. Better days are coming. Better days. Better days are coming. Beautiful. Beautiful. Test still be in that bitch. Get to me. Make me believe. Living out your legacy. Better days are coming. Better days are coming. Better. Better days are. We have previous days low, okay, and below that we have the remainder of this daily inefficiency, which is also nested, all right, at the weekly equilibrium. So that's a high probability draw to create potentially maybe Tuesday low of the week before we continue higher. Let's see what the contract size would have been on this one. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -2. I would have took it. I ain't complaining. Give me what you want to give me. I know. I know. I know. You ain't a friend of me. Enemies, I know how to turn the dream into realities. I know. Don't know who for me, who against me. But when I fall down, are you gonna catch me? Oh, mm. That means weary. You against me. But when I fall down, are you gonna catch me? Oh. Oh, mate. And ain't proud of me. Look at it. Stay up for you. I guess I see. You should have been me. Well, I give him what to eat. Mhm. Ouch. See the money, see the fame, but it don't see me like, I know you don't lie when it gets tough. We all gotta go slow. No, my people won't remember me. We're in premium coming from a deeper premium. And this inefficiency here. This is in line with the daily 50% level. And previous candle low as well. So I'm watching this. Let's get that gap in there. Oh, this neck boy of mine. DJ, I'm going to do a trade performance review here and get going. Do have this sell side here into this 1 hour inefficiency, but I'm looking at the daily here, daily low, which is also, look at that madness. It's nested at the high of the new week open, this week's new week opening gap. So adding more confluence to this level, okay? What I did well this AM session is that I showed up, okay, powerfully, got 1% better, gained experience, definitely got 1% better, gained experience, then lessons that I'll take into my next session, next trading day, okay? As you can tell, the experience level was kind of increasing, okay? I was able to minimize the risk on this trade, which was a fair trade, all right? Nothing against the trade here, all right? Just I have to demand more from, even if it's a pro trend trade, I have to demand more from the market if we're coming from a deep premium and we're in a premium and we're also above midnight open price, because those are my conditions to engage in a sell, which is a counter trend trade, right? So I should demand more from the market when we're in deep premium to come more into a discount. Obviously, sometimes it's not going to come into that deep of a discount, and I will be okay with missing those moves. I have no problems with that. I'll find another way to jump on board if it's giving me the characteristics I want to see, right? As I gain more experience, I will learn ways to jump on board if I'm waiting for more information and it gives the information to me and it's like, okay, yeah, I'm going the direction you want me to go. That's the next phases, right? So happy and pleased with my performance today. Okay. I took my L. It was a fair loss. Didn't like feel the need to get back in it. I said I'm not gonna engage in counter trend trades until I build more confidence. Okay. That's why we just watched this trade. Because obviously I could have gone into this sell at the time. My conditions, obviously we just established the conditions. So I'm not gonna like jump onto the market just by establishing a condition. I need to obviously collect more data, confirm that my conditions is something that, you know, is backed by data. Right now I want to follow, right? Right now it's just something I'm paying attention to and I'm realizing, right? So yeah, when I identified my conditions and obviously we're in a premium, it's not a deep premium, but we're still in premium and we're above midnight open, my conditions were met. So, and the time, right? Plus time, most important thing. But that time in like caps, you can't even see that bitch because of this background thing. The time is in caps, all right, plus time. The conditions plus time. We had that here, and obviously I could have got back in here to make back the losses, okay, but that's for a later time, right? I know what's possible now, so I don't mind just watching it and just paying attention to price. So beautiful, beautiful, very happy and pleased with my performance today. Okay, so won't take anything from it. Showed up, let the analyst lead. Trader was here doing her job. Gambler ain't even, she not even present in this conversation. Where I fell short, don't think I fell short anywhere. Woke up at a decent time. Put my morning routine in. Um, chart wise, solid price action. Um, yeah, didn't fall short anywhere today actually. If I did, DJ though, if you can think of something, you let me know. All right, hit me up. How can improve for next day, next trading session is keep showing up, 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 keep showing up. All right. Okay. Is the one thing that will get you to where you want to be. Keep showing up. Just keep showing up. Even if you feel like you're not getting anywhere or it's not making sense or that you feel like you're wasting your time, you're wasting your energy, just keep showing up. Just keep swimming. Okay. Just keep showing up. Um, okay, yeah, keep showing up, stick to my model procedures and protocols, okay? Update what I need to update on there, make sure we're getting that ingrained, okay? In the brain, in the membrane and all that. Keep sticking to model precision protocols, don't let short-term adversity, okay, deviate from what I got going on. And that will be pretty much it for me this morning. We'll be back for the PM session, okay? We don't have any news really and truly going on, but we'll be here active, all right, gaining more experience, trying to get 1% better. But another brilliant session in front of the market. every day I just feel the growth is just mm, it's just compounding. That 1% is just compounding and compounding. Okay, until I get to the point where this is just like, well, you're doing this over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, I'm still enjoying the process, and I want to enjoy it. I want to soak in these moments of, whoa, I'm finally seeing the not the algo, right? I'm seeing what I want to see in the algo, what resonates with me and what works for me, right? Trading is a solo sport, guys, okay? What works for me may not work for the next person. It's all about you being in front of these markets and building that experience from the ground up, okay? But yeah, I want to, like ICT said, it gets boring after a while, right? He's been doing it for over 30 years. He's seen this, and it's just like it's not even like exciting. For me, I'm still excited, like, and I wanna hold that excitement for as long as I can, because I know down the line, all right, like a year from now, 2 years, 5 years from now, it's just gonna be like boring, another, well, not that it's supposed to be boring. I want it to be boring. It's just gonna be like not exciting, the thrill that I'm feeling right now, it won't be the same. But so I just want to soak in this moment as much as I can. I also want to add that I'm very happy and pleased on myself for not giving up on this journey, okay, for just hunkering down and just knowing that this was my way out, right? And just not giving up really and truly, and just sticking through the pain, the hardship, the losses, okay, the not making any money, the losing money, not making money and losing money. Oh, it's all gonna be worth it in the end, okay? Just keep going, don't give up. You only fail when you quit, guys, all right? This is where you're meant to be. This is where the money game is played. All right. If you want money, all right, this is where you need to be. And on that note, okay, I'll be back for PM session, okay, to build more confidence and gain even more experience in front of these charts and these candlesticks. Get closer to my model, my procedures and protocols, all right? That's all. Every time I'm in front of the markets, that's all I can ask for. You know what it is, DJ? Hmm? I'm the trader. It was an emotional one. Emotional. I got teary because it was just like oh, I'm the trader signing out. Good luck. Good trading. Happy hunting.